A very good evening to all of you, and today we will discuss the very interesting family which is known as the Rojaceae family. So, if I'm just starting the point of a Rojaceae family, the Rojaceae family is commonly known as the rose family, and this is a very peculiar family because the rose is known it's for its different colors, and the very interesting feature is the rhozoideae character is there. The rhozoideae character is the number of carpels are numerous. Fruits are one-seeded, indehiscent, stipulated is there. And this is the best example is the rosa. And this Rojaceae family, which is commonly known as the rose family, it is the classification is the dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciferae, as well as the rosales. So obviously the family is the Rojaceae. And there are other examples are also been there. Very good examples is also been there, which are very common to, we are using them, these plants. For example, the Prunus persica aru, peach, belongs to this family. The Prunus americadelus badam, almond, also belongs to this family. Prunus armenica, Khumani apricot, also belongs to this family. Prunus domestica, Prunus communis, plum, alucha, also belongs to this family. The Prunus avium, cherry, Prunus syriacus, cherry, also belongs to this family. The Pyrus communis, naspati, nak, pear, also belongs to this family. The Pyrus melus, sebe, is a very important one, which is also known as the apple, sebe, also belongs to this family. The Fragaria vesica, Fragaria vesca belongs to, which is known as the strawberry, also belongs to this Rojaceae family. The Rosa alba, and obviously the Potentilla, which is known as the Bajradanti, also belongs to this family. So this family is recognized with 100 genera, and 2,000 species has been recognized. And this family is what we can say that this is growing well into the temperate Himalaya, ascending to other one. Some of them are cultivated plants has also been recognized with this family. The familiar example is Rosa. The familiar example is the Prunus persica, strawberry, the this brambles, as well as the Potentilla. This is the examples of Potentilla. This Potentilla plants are usually the herbs, and the Fragaria and Potentilla, and the Pyrus prunus, as well as the Eriobotria. Several species of Rosa and Rubus are scabbled over the surrounding vegetation by means of prickles. Sometimes, as in Principia and Cretaceous, the plants are armed with sharp spine, which are modified branches. The vegetative reproduction takes place in several ways. For example, by runners in Fragaria, by suckers in Rubus, and leafy buds are formed by the roots of same species of Prunus as well as the Pyrus. The leaves are alternate, stipulate, as well as the simple leaves is there. The inflorescence or flower are rarely solitary. Certain species of Rosa as well as the Rubus, and fascicled in some species of Prunus. The flower is actinomorphic, zygomorphic, even it is bisexual, and also the pentamerous, hypogynous, perigynous condition has also been recognized in Rosa. Epigynous condition has been recognized in Pyrus. There are a number of calyx, the corolla, endosium, as an indefinite number of endosium has also been recognized. So the point of interest is that in this family, which we are calling the Rojaceae family, the herb, shrub, and tree has been recognized. The leaves are alternate, stipulate leaves is there. The flower is regular, bisexual, and the sepals are connate at the base. Very interesting feature, which I'm just talking about the distinguished features. The petals are free, usually 5, rosaceous. They are colored. The petals are inserted below the margin of the disc. The indefinite number of stamen on the disc lining the hypanthium. Often they are incurved or they are circinate into the buds. The stamen are subulate, having the subulate filaments. The ovary with many free carpels are there. Apocarpus condition is there. Axile presentation is there, and free stigma is also been there. The fruit is typically achene, druplet, or drupe, or as well as the pome, which has been recognized in various very interesting examples of Rojaceae family, which may be the indications. The number of stamens variable considerably also change into the this Rojaceae family. So Rojaceae family is a very important one because we are using this family in our daily one. For example, the another one is the Prunus persica is there, but very interesting aspect in this case. There is a cushion shaped or ring like nectar is there. Secreting disc is there between the stamen as well as the carpel. The gynoecium show much variation. The gynoecial characters and the type of fruit in various tribes are described as below. These there are 10 tribes is there. The first one is called the Chrysobalaena, and the best example may be the Chrysobalanus periannuum as well as the Parastemon. In this case, the gynoecium has a single carpel which is adnate to one side of the calyx tube. In the second tribe is called these tribes which I'm just talking about, that there are 10 types of tribes has been there. But this is a special type of gynoecium character has been recognized. The Chrysobalaena. The second type is known as the Prunia. Prunia, best example may be the Prunus Principia. The gynoecium is of the single carpel is this in this case. The tribe third is called the Spiraceae. This is the best example is the Spirea. And in this case, the gynoecium has 5 or more free or basally united carpels is there. This fourth tribe is called the Culegia. The best example is the Culeja. The gynoecium and fruit are similar to that of the Spiraceae, but the seeds are winged in this case. The type number 5 is Rubiae. Rubiae, best example maybe the Rubus example is the best. The gynoecium consists of many free carpels on a conical or cylindrical receptacle. This is a fifth type which is called the Rubiae. And the sixth type is called the Potentillae. Potentillae is the best example, maybe the Potentilla. And the other one, Fragaria, Guillaume is also the example of this Potentilla tribe. And in this case, the gynoecium has usually many free carpels on a small or convex receptacle. The tribe number 7 is called Posteria. This is a Posteria. Posteria, the best example may be the Alchemilla. Another example may be the Poterium. The gynoecium has 1 to 5 free carpel sunk in a cup-shaped receptacle. This is a seventh tribe. The eighth tribe is called the Rosia. Rosia, the best example may be the Rosa. The gynoecium consists of many free carpels, which is situated onto the bottom of the receptacular cup. The ovary of each carpel is unilocular with a pendulous ovule. The style are subterminal. The ninth tribe is called the Neuradia. Neuradia, best example may be the Neurada. The gynoecium has 5 to 10 free or connate carpels. The ovary of each carpel is unilocular with solitary ovule arising from the apex of the carpel. The 10th tribe is called the Pomia. Pomia, best example may be the Pomprot, which you can say the Pyrus. The gynoecium consists of 2 or 5 carpels, which are connate and adnate to the deep cup-shaped receptacle. The ovary is completely inferior with as many as locules as number of carpels is there. So there are 10 tribes has been recognized, and this tribes is based on the variation of gynoecial character or the gynoecium character, and the type of fruits are going to vary. So these 10 tribes has been recognized. The seed is usually without endosperm and a small embryo is there. In most of the rojaceous one, because the nectar is there, the gland is there, so the disc is there, so receptacular tube and easily licked by the insect. So it is the insect pollination is the main points where we can share this structure which we are calling the pollination. So these are the different floral diagrams, and floral formula is actinomorphic hermaphrodite, K5 fuse, C5 A indefinite, G1 superior ovary is there in this case. But this is a floral formula of different Prunus, Potentilla, etc. This is a family which we recognize that with the Prunus persica, Rosa has also been there. The Prunus emigradalis, Badam also belongs to this family. So there are number of edible plants. There are a number of medicinal plants. There are other uses also been recognized with this family. So this family is edible one. For example, the apple, Pyrus melus, Pyrus communis pear also used as edible one. Pyrus pyripheria, this is naspati. Pyrus, which is also known as the Pyrus sinensis. The Prunus persica, adu, also belongs to this family. Prunus domesticus, which is known as the alucha, pullam. The Prunus armenica, apricot khumani. Prunus syriacus, the cherry. Prunus avium, cherry. Prunus emigradellus, badam. Fragaria chilensis, which is called the garden strawberry. The Fragaria vesca is known as the strawberry. The Eriobotria japonica, loquat, also belongs to this family. So there are number of fruits belongs to this. They are having the very different taste which belongs to this family. There are certain medicinal use of the plants which belongs to this family, which is the Rosaceae family. This is one of them is a Hagenia abeasinica, is the source of almanthetic drug. The root stock of Gum arboreum are also used in chronic dysentery. Potentilla anseriana, silverweed, is also used for kidney stone, arthritis, and camp. There are certain, definitely the ornamental flowers is also been there. Rosa is the best example, you can say. The various species of Rosa multiflora, Damascena indica, centifolia, they are been used. Spirea is also been under the cultivations. Spirea japonica, which has also been cultivated throughout the in our region also. Some species of rubus, sorbus, and potentilla are also for the ornamental use. The best example is the not only the edible fruits are there, the best example is also been there as a ornamental one. So gulab, for example, you can say. So the other examples is other uses are also been there. The flowers of rosa, especially Rosa damascena, are the source of very delicate and valuable perfume. And also the Principia is used for cooking as well as the illuminant. This has been, oil has been prepared. The bark of Culaza, this is called the soap bark, is employed as detergent. And wood of some species of Pyrus melus, Pyrus communis, Rosa cretaceous, cotoneaster are used for making stocks as well as the tool handles. So this family is definitely a very important one because it is providing the edible one, fruits, medicinal one, also the very famous for ornamental one. And the another one is that the systematic position, it is assemblage of fairly advanced and primitive character. So Roseales, it belongs to the Roseales, and the Rosaceae are the more matured. This is a matured assemblage. Most of the tribes or subfamilies are treated as independent families by many botanists. So this point of interest is that there are 10 tribes is there in this case. They are on the basis of gynoecium as well as the floral structure. But this family is very economically important to human being, and they are providing by fruits. They are providing by ornamental, and they are also providing the medicinal use, and some of them are used as a furniture as well as the etc, and some parts they also can be prepared through this one. So this in this case, if I'm just going to conclude this family, the herbs, shrub, and trees is there. The leaves are alternate, stipulated there. The flowers are regular, bisexual, or the sepals are connate at the base. The petals are inserted below the margin of the disc. So disc is also been there. Petals are free, usually 5. Rosaceous condition is there. Rosaceous conditions means the colored condition is there. There are different colors of flower is there. Indefinite stamen on the disc lining the hypanthium, and rhossoideo condition is also been recognized. The ovary is many, free carpels is there, apocarpus. Exile placentation, free stigma is there. The fruit is achene as well as the drupe or druplets, or as well as the pome. So this is all about the family which we are calling the Rosaceae family. Thank you very much.